Hey dear, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to add custom button in header on your Shopify online store. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to customize your Shopify online store by yourself without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. Also, if you are very beginner with Shopify theme development and you wanted to become a Shopify theme developer, then you can also continue this video. So let's get started. So right now I'm on my Shopify online store and we wanted to add a custom header button in this section or in the header, and we want specifically add a custom button in here. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how we can add it. As usual, I always publish article with ready code snippet in my website e-commerce thesis. You see, I have already published the article and here is the ready code snippet, so that you can easily copy the code and paste it on your Shopify online store, and you don't have to write any single code or search for code. Okay, before that I think I should share the benefit of custom button in header. First of all, the boost conversion. It's directly customer to keep page, then improve navigation. You know that while user friendly navigation is very helpful for SEO, and SEO help your store to rank on the search engine to get organic traffic or customers, and also enhance branding and mobile friendly. Okay, so now I think I should start implement the ready code snippet. Here is the Shopify admin panel, then click online store, then click on this three dot icon, click on the edit code and search header, open header.liquid file, and now check out the description of this video and you will find the link of this article. Simply copy this line, Ctrl C from your keyboard, go back, and Ctrl F from your keyboard to find this line, then Ctrl B from your keyboard again, then press enter. You see, here is the line that we are looking, and simply add a break space or some space on the above of this line. Very simple. And go back again, copy this code, click on here, then it will be copy automatically. Click on and paste in here. Okay, we have done first step, then here is the second step. Copy the CSS, go back and go to the up of this file, go up and paste this code before end of style. So I'm going to paste it in here. Click on the save, asset save. Now go back our Shopify online store and reload. Wow, you see, we have added custom button in here. Very simple and easy. Also we have added effect on click. So if I click on it, you see there is a clickable effect. So it's super easy. I think you can do it. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.